Hey y'all, what's happening? What's good? So you guys, I want to talk to you guys about something that's been on my heart lately. So you guys know that I did make a video and I just entered just a little piece just saying what I was dealing with. And what I was dealing with was feeling like I just been feeling stuck. And I've been going through the season of feeling like I want to level up. So with that being said, the pressure of leveling up been heavy on me, okay? And I don't mean financially. I mean in every area of my life, y'all. Because being honest, I feel like if you're not upgrading something, your house, your car, your lifestyle, you feel like you're falling behind. And I felt that. We live in a time where it feels like you can see everybody upgrading and winning in real time, y'all. Like social media, just everywhere. New house, new business, more views, more money, more everything. You can just see it all everywhere. TV, phone, internet, everything. And even if you are grateful for what you have, you can still feel that quiet pressure. Like, am I doing enough? Why am I not there yet? Should you be further by now? And that pressure feels heavy, y'all. As a mom, as a wife, as somebody trying to build something on YouTube, I want more. Not in a greedy way, y'all, but in a, I want to do more for my family way. And sometimes I feel a little guilty for even wanting more, because I feel like we already blessed. You know what I mean? But I realized something. Wanting growth doesn't mean that you're ungrateful. It just means you see potential. Now, what I've been learning in this, leveling up isn't about upgrading your life overnight. Sometimes leveling up could be upgrading your mindset, your discipline, your consistency, your peace. Sometimes it's choosing not to compare. Sometimes it's about posting your video even though your views are low. Sometimes it's being present with your kids instead of chasing the next thing, y'all. And to be honest, that's all that is leveling up to. So maybe we're not behind. Maybe we're building. Maybe we are being patient and being prepared for the season that we're praying for. And instead of trusting the process, maybe we'll just grow with it. Grow with it. Because real elevation is not loud, it's steady. So if you've been feeling the pressure to level up, just know this: you're not late, you're not behind, you're building, and that counts. So you guys, that is it. That is it. That is all. I'm going to continue to share my life with you guys. And every now and then we have these sit down life update videos, because I told you guys this time around, I'm going to try my best to be consistent. And when I'm going through something, instead of me running away, I'm going to be vocal and very honest with you guys about what I'm dealing with instead of running away and disappearing. Okay, so consistency do matter. It counts. And that's what I'm working on, you guys. Really? So yeah, you guys, I have been trying my best to put the work in, and I have been, on top of that, I had a good conversation with one of my subscribers. So I'm seeing some growth, I'm seeing some supports coming in, and I see people watching my videos. I want to tell you guys, come on in, come on into the room. Let's talk, let's chill, but yeah, you guys, anyway, I'm getting too excited, but I do want to tell you guys, thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for giving me thumbs up. Thank you for taking the time out to have a little conversation, with me in a comment section. But yeah, you guys, I just want to tell you guys, thank you for supporting me. And yeah, may we continue to grow. Could me continue to improve on me being on here, and I'll just talk to you guys on the next video. Okay? All right.